The last time that you received a hug from a dear one? When was the last time you gave a hug to a dear one? When was the last time you have a heart to heart conversation with your loved one, with your friend, or with your colleague? Friends, we all say one thing to ourselves: I don't have the time for all this. Let me tell you when, friends, when we are hugging, when we are happy, when we are connecting with another human being, we are secreting those chemicals, the dopamine, the oxytocin. We're bringing about a connection with another human being. And that is what is responsible for our mental health. Today, our mental health is declining because we are hiding behind our phones. We are not sharing our joys, our sorrows, our challenges with each other. We are only looking at the social media and at the outside world. If you really want to improve your mental health, join me tomorrow at 7 a.m. and let's talk about how we can improve the way we can connect with other people. It's very, very easy. See how I'm going to show you what we can do to improve our human to human connection, because that's all we need. We are social animals. See you tomorrow at 7 a.m. Thank you so much.